Hi, I'm Dr. M. Sharma. I'm a board certified internist in practice in Daytona Beach area. So I had my cataract surgery done December of 2019. Shortly afterwards, I started having various problems, double vision, ghosting, and then slowly the vision dropped even further. So I couldn't get any answers. So my friends have been with Dr. Gulani for their surgery, so I've been here. So I had LaZrplastique. So now I think I kid with the staff and everybody that I'm ready to start my Air Force career back again and fly the F-16. Well, I was never with the Air Force, so, but I see good, and it has been a wonderful experience. Dr. Gulani does great work.